Hello guys, this is Saumil Patel this side and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial or in this video, I am going to discuss about some interview topics, okay, that can be prepared before the interview. So what is this and which kind of questions interviewer might ask you during the interview? तो हम ये सब चीजों के बारे में जानेंगे in this video. So let me share my screen. I will note down each and everything that is very much important to crack the interview. Some topics, yeah. Some topics can be the interview related, some topics can be the project related, but whatever it is, right? You need to focus when you are in the industrial automation field. So this type of the topics that you need to focus. So let's start. First of all, the communication protocols. When you are in the industrial automation field and you go for the interview and you do some projects, so you need to focus on this type of things. Which kind of the communication protocols are available in this field? Modbus, RS232, there's the serial, Profibus, Profinet, Ethernet, this kind of communication protocols, right? For example, if you want to connect your PLC to the HMI via serial communication, then you need to know about the RS232 serial communication. For example, if you another example. For example, if your PLC is having the Ethernet port, your HMI is having the Ethernet port, then you need to use this Ethernet or Profinet communication protocols. For example, that is a third example. If your PLC is having the Profibus port and if your HMI is having the Profibus port, so you need to connect both things using this Profibus communication. If you are connect your PLC with the third-party devices. The third-party device can be of anything. It can be of the energy meter, it can be of the load cell, it can be of the weight indicator, it can be of the temperature transmitter. Okay, but there is no communication media like Profibus, Profinet, Ethernet, or RS232. Then, if the device consists the Modbus communication, then your PLC can communicate via Modbus communication to that device. That means to communicate between devices, you need to know about the communication protocols. And that communication protocols are these. These are the major communication protocols. Actually, there are so many communication protocols are available, okay? But these are the main one. RS232, serial, Modbus, Profinet, Profibus, and Ethernet. Profibus is nothing but the Siemens protocol, okay? And Profinet is nothing but the Siemens protocol. Ethernet IP is nothing but the Rockwell protocol, okay? So these are useful in the Rockwell products. Modbus can be, I think any PLC or any device can be connected via the Modbus if they have the Modbus connectivity inside that device, okay? Then and that. So this type of protocols you need to know when you go for the interview or when you do some projects, right? Now the other standards are available if you connect a device to the other device, if that other device consists the OPC connectivity, right? That means OPC UA can be available, OPC DA can be available. So how to communicate your PLC or your device to the other device via OPC, that you need to do, right? That you need to do, or then that you need to know during the interview or before the interview, okay, to crack that interview, right? Now the OPC can be of anything. It can be of the Capware, it can be of the Matricon, it can be of the Softing, whatever it is, right? But you need to know how to configure it. You need to know how to fetch the data from the PLC via this OPC connectivity. Okay, it can be of the Ethernet. Okay, see, if inside your one laptop you have installed the OPC and you need to connect the PLC via this OPC. Okay, so there is a Ethernet obviously the Ethernet protocol is used, but there is a OPC standard you are using. OPC is nothing but the, I think, I don't know the full form, but you can search out from the Google. I am just not recalling that, right? But you need to know the OPC connectivity. It's really useful, right, to do the big size of project, to do the IIoT projects, okay, and to do the connectivity between your device to the other third-party devices. It's really very much useful, okay? So this is the small tips, and this is the some basic tips that I need to give you as a bonus, or as a, you can say that as a gift. Okay, so the communication protocols and other standard, that is nothing but the OPC you need to know to crack the interview, to do your projects, to do the big size of projects. So that is the thing. Thank you for watching. Keep connected. Let me stop my share. Yeah, that's it.